Hi learners, welcome to our another new session. Hope you all are fine and doing your study well. So today we are going to learn the name of 10 omnivorous animals with their correct spellings and pronunciations. Now here we go. Number 1. Human. H U M A N. Human. Number 2. Bear. B E A R. Bear. Number 3. Pig. P I G. Pig. Number 4. Raccoon. R A C C O O N. Raccoon. Number 5. Fox. F O X. Fox. Number 6. Crow. C R O W. Crow. Number 7. Hen. H E N. Hen. Number 8. Peacock. P E A C O C K. Peacock. Number 9. Hedgehog. H E D G E H O G. Hedgehog. Number 10. Coyote. C O Y O T E. Coyote. Thanks for watching.